Dear student, today we will discuss a very important and also a basic concept on chemistry class 11, that is how to write a chemical formula. It is very easy to write, but before that I must remember some important radicals in terms of cation and also anion. So in the end of this video I will share that document contains some important cation and anion, but before that I want to know that, or I will share to you how to write chemical formula. So for writing a chemical formula, some rules is there. So I am writing here. The heading will be how to write a formula. How to write a formula. So what is the rule? In step 1, I will select which one is cation and which one is anion. And the cation I will write in left hand side, and anion I will write in the right hand side. Understand? Step 2. If these radicals are more than one element, or simply I will say it's a compound radical, then provide a bracket. Compound radical, then provide a bracket. For example, sulfate, then it is a compound radical, so I will provide a bracket. After that, I will crisscross the charge. Suppose I am writing here H plus and a sulfate contains 2 minus, then what I will do? Crisscross the charge. So this charge goes to sulfate and 2 that is comes to hydrogen. So what will be the final result? H2SO4. If a common factor is there, that means here 2 and in sulfate it will come 2, then finally I will divide 2 in both sides, then I will, what will be the result? H1 SO4 1. Okay, so but in case of H2SO4 no common factor is there, so it will be, the formula is H2SO4. So I am taking another one example. Suppose aluminium nitride. Aluminium nitride. So first I will select which one will be cation and which one will be anion. So aluminium is a metal, so it will electropositive in nature, that means it is cation. So I will write the symbol of aluminium is Al in the left hand side, and for nitride the symbol is N. Nitride means N3 minus. Nitrate, nitrite, nitride. Phosphate, phosphite, phosphide. Sulfate, sulfite, sulfide. So these are the very important anions and which will make confusion. So nitride means, remember, N3 minus, and aluminium contains 3 positive, 3 plus. So what I will do, the next step, no compound radical is there, so no need to give bracket. Bracket is optional. Then finally what I will do, crisscross the charge. So 3 plus comes to nitrogen and 3 minus comes to aluminium. This is called crisscross. CRISIS, crisscross. So what will be the formula? Now Al then 3, and N 3. So in this example, 3 and 3 is the common factors. So I can simplify it by divide with 3. So what will be the result? AL1 N3. If I divide 3, then 1 and 1, and instead of writing 1 and 1, we can say also ALN. So final formula of aluminum nitride is ALN. Similarly, if we write aluminium sulfate, so aluminium is the cation and sulfate SO4, 2 minus sulfate means charge is 2 minus, and Al 3 plus, so crisscross, 3 comes to here and 2 comes to here. Then the final result will be Al2 SO4 whole 3. So 2 and 3, no common divisible factor is there, so no need to divide that. So final result will be Al2 SO4. Similarly, if I will write calcium hydroxide, and calcium hydroxide means Ca, the cation, I will write in the left hand side, and in right hand side I will write hydroxide. Hydroxide means it contains 1 minus, OH minus, and Ca contains 2 plus. So here OH is a compound radical, so what I will do, I will give a bracket, then crisscross the charge. So final result will be Ca OH whole 2. So this type of formula I can write. So for writing a formula, we must remember some important cation and anion. And here I am sharing the cation and anion. Please take a screenshot and practice according to your textbook. Must remember that sulfate SO4 2 minus, sulfite SO3 2 minus, and sulfide S 2 minus. Similarly, phosphate PO4 3 minus,